One item you'll always find in my refrigerator is a rotisserie chicken. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I debone it and use it in several of my recipes. Now when it comes to a rotisserie chicken, I let almost nothing go to waste, including the skin. Now I use the skin to make one of my favorite recipes, and I'll show you that recipe here in a little bit. Go ahead and pause the video. Let me know down in the comments below what you think I'll use the skin for. Now when removing the skin, you want to try to keep it in one large piece. Next, I make my way to the legs. And I must admit, the drumsticks almost never make it into a meal prep meal for the week. But if you can resist, they're perfect in my enchiladas. Now a quick tip when deboning the breast of your rotisserie chicken. Firmly running your finger down the center will reveal the perfect cutting point. Now once I get that cut done, I like to go ahead and remove the wishbone. Removing it makes for a much cleaner separation of the main breast and the tenderloin. Now I usually use this meat for something like soft tacos using one of my delicious tortilla recipes. Or I'll just use it in a quick and easy salad. Now here's a quick tip when removing the tenderloin. Gently pull it away. Notice how that annoying membrane remains attached. This is the perfect chicken for my quick and easy chicken nuggets. Now the wings are kind of like the drumsticks. They usually don't make it past the first evening because they are also irresistible. Now remove that skin from the base of the chicken, set it to the side for the last recipe. And now to the thighs and rib meat. This meat is perfect. It's juicy and tender and works great for the best tamales here on YouTube. Now I know we all like to save money, so here's a tip. Just use simple saran wrap. Put it in a bowl and then take your chicken, place it in the saran wrap and then wrap it up. This is an ultra cheap way to store your chicken for the week. Now to that I use everything comment. Guys, I keep all the bones in the bag. Then I dump them into my pressure cooker, add some water to the bag, swish it around, and then add it to the bones. Add 6 cups water. 60 minutes in a pressure cooker makes perfect bone broth. Now the skin is truly my favorite thing on a rotisserie chicken. And if you guessed that we were going to make chips out of this, you are absolutely right. You do want to remove things like this, these ultra fatty areas. While it will work, it doesn't work as good. Now go ahead and cut these up in as close to a chip form as you can get. As you see, the skin is a bit stretchy, so you want to hold pressure on the skin as you cut it. Place them on a microwavable tray, spreading them out evenly. Microwave them in 30-minute increments until they are crispy. Make sure you cover them or you will have a big mess. Now the results of this carnivore hack are just amazing. These things are crispy, and if you season them, you can dial them in perfectly for your taste buds. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Guys, thanks so much for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next video.